Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Victoria, but today we're going to be cooking with Temi. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. For today's recipe, you will need 350 grams of all-purpose flour, 170 grams of slightly melted unsalted butter, 120 grams of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, room temperature, 100 grams of dark chocolate or any chocolate of your choice, a spatula or a wooden spoon. You could use a hand mixer, but I've decided to use a spatula today, or you could use a standing mixer and a mixing bowl to mix everything together. I'm so excited, so let's get started. First, you will need to be adding in your butter into the mixing bowl. And then your brown sugar. And your salt, and mix them together until smooth. Mix together for about 5 minutes until fluffy. So this is how it looks when it's just finished mixing. I've been mixing for about 5 minutes now. It's like a light brown colour, very light brown, and very fluffy. So now I'll be adding in our eggs, 2 eggs, room temperature, and mix them together. So I've mixed in the eggs now. It's kind of like slimy, gloopy. The texture's like this. So next we'll be adding in our vanilla extract. So now I'm adding in my vanilla extract. Remember, 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to whisk it in a little bit. So now I'm adding in the flour, 350 grams. Then mix it in. So I decided to use brown sugar because it has like a distinctive taste. I find it better than the white sugar, and it's also healthier. So mix until all the flour is, you can tell when all the flour is entered. So I've mixed in the flour and it's formed a dough. So let me just scrub the edges. Now I'm adding in my chocolate chips. I've cut them into pieces. So I diced my dark chocolate because I bought it as a bar. But if you have chocolate chips at home, no worries. Now I need to mix in your chocolate into the dough. This is how it looks like with the chocolate chips mixed in. I have my ice cream scoop now to form a ball so that the cookies will cook evenly and they will be shaped out evenly. So I'm scooping it out. I prepared grease-proof paper on my baking tray. That's why I'm putting them on. Make sure they're spaced out about 1 centimeter apart from each other. Don't they look pretty? I've put them on 3 separate trays for them to space out a bit. I preheated my oven to gas mark 4, and you want them to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look how they are. Just got them out of the oven. They smell delicious, they look delicious, and I guarantee they'll taste delicious. I'm putting them on a rack now to cool for about 5 minutes. Altogether in the oven, I got 17 cookies. They finished cooling now. Wow, the chunky chocolate makes it look so inviting. My mouth is watering at the thought. Now let's break into it. Wow, this is fantastic. So soft on the inside. I'm serving mine with milk. Oh, how I wish you were here to try this with me. But you know, you can try at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye.